Today we're going to be making a centerpiece, not only a diaper cake, but also a diaper cake with balloons. So let's get started. Down on a flat surface, and then you're going to add hot glue on the inside of the balloon cone, so that way you can put your stick inside and it'll be secure. Next, you're going to put the stick inside and make sure that the glue completely dries. After that, you're going to start adding your diapers. I will roll one right now for you. So then you're going to need at minimum about 20 diapers, 18 to 20 diapers for the base. And you're going to put them in a circular shape like this. You're going to use rubber bands to keep them together. So the first layer is going to be your center diaper, and then all the diapers around it are gonna be secured with a rubber band. And then you're going to go to your second layer, and as you're putting on the second layer, you're going to use a rubber band to secure that, and you just want to make sure that there's a second row or layer of diapers on your diaper cake base. For your base, you're going to want to put a ribbon around the base just to add a little more color so it's not plain white. If you want it plain white, that's fine, but since we did use rubber bands, you will be able to see the rubber bands if you don't put ribbon around it. So you're going to use any color ribbon to match your theme. I'm using this color right here. I'll have it the exact color and brand in the description, but you're going to add the ribbon around. First, I cut it to size to make sure it's going to fit around my diapers, and then I'm going to use a hot glue gun to secure the ribbon so it doesn't move after or while I'm transporting my centerpiece. Cluster is going to be made up of balloons of all the same size, so you want to make sure that you have enough balloons. I suggest having about 20 to 25 balloons of the same color, or you can mix and match colors if that fits your theme a little better. We're going to blow up all our balloons to about the same size. I'm not sizing them because I'm just kind of eyeballing it, but you want them relatively around the same size. Once you get them all the same size and connect them in pairs, you're going to basically just twist them together as if you were making a balloon cloud, or if you were making a cluster to put into a base. Basically, you just want a ball of balloons. This is something you can do with all Dollar Tree supplies. I will link anything that I use, like an Amazon or online version. But I do recommend trying to find a lot of these supplies in the dollar store, because you can find diapers, ribbon, balloons, balloon sticks, all these supplies in the dollar store. So let me know what you think. Comment below. Let me know what you think by commenting below. Hit that like button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.